I'm going to show you how you can easily buy BNB coin in Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Now scroll down to find and tap on BNB to access the BNB section of your wallet. Next, tap on the Buy button to start the purchasing process. Now enter the amount of BNB you wish to buy. You can choose to buy with credit card or select another payment method available. Here, you can check the amount you will pay and the amount of BNB you will receive before finalizing your order. Once you've confirmed the details, tap on Buy Now to proceed. Now enter your email address to receive confirmation and transaction details. Then tap Continue to move to the next step. Here, you will need to enter the verification code that was sent to your email. Finally, check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then tap on Continue to complete your purchase. Your BNB coins will be added to your Trust Wallet once the transaction is successful.